in a bid to mitigate conflicting judgments that have emerged from various levels of the judiciary, including the Court of Appeals and the Supreme Court. Efforts are underway to streamline legal decisions and promote consistency. One of them is the launch of the Rotimi Jacobs on criminal procedure in Lagos. The disparity arising from disparate verdicts on the same legal matter has prompted a closer look at the effectiveness of the criminal justice system in maintaining the rule of law. The book on criminal procedure has been introduced to curtail these conflicts by consolidating fundamental legal principles into a single comprehensive legal resource.
The fact is that you cannot truly enjoy the rule of law without adequate provisions on criminal justice. You see, there is no way rule of law can be effective without us looking at that area. And for Rotimi Jacobs, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, to do this, you know, the law evolves on a daily basis. We've had our criminal procedure, we've had other books. The one we had that we've all been using as lawyers, because I'm also a lawyer, is the fact that, yes, it's a long time. Fantastic book too, but with his own now, he's coming up with a lot of innovations. He's looking at all the laws that have been passed after that one and how that could help the courts to arrive at more judicious and judicial decisions.
The book is going to add value to our criminal justice system. I'm particularly delighted that he has been able to put the book together, because I consistently challenge him to write a book on his experience in handling cases against very powerful people, principalities in our country involved in grand corruption. It's a thing of joy that is able to challenge the Nigerian legal system by launching these 2 volumes of Rotimi Jacobs on criminal procedure. You know,
what actually motivated me to write this book is that the attitude is very conflicting decision of the court. You see on that certain aspect, you see the Court of Appeal giving conflicting decisions. Supreme Court even conflicting decision on the same point. So and the High Court also, the decision of the High Court of Lagos will be different from the decision of High Court in Abuja. So in order to reduce this conflict, I think the book is intended to make people, to spur our colleagues to write books, so that, because if principles of law are contained in one book, you don't need to be looking for authorities to support your view. Your textbook is an aggregate of thoughts, and you'll be able to say this is the true position of the law.